I'm Lily Stolzberg. We're here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Giovanni, who's going to make something really cool today that we all need to know how to do.
Exactly.
What is it?
Okay, so Easter's coming up, right?
Yep.
So you're either going to be eating lamb or ham. We're going to be eating ham, obviously.
They rhyme, by the way.
That's
Lamb
right.
and ham.
That's right. We're going to show you how to make a proper glaze.
Okay.
Because in every spiral ham package, you know, you get this little
Package.
Yeah, it's garbage.
Yeah, you don't.
Throw it away.
Get rid of it.
You don't want it.
You want to do this.
Starting with some OJ, and you can see the pan is smoking hot. Some light brown sugar.
All right.
Going in some honey, a little Dijon mustard, a dash of cinnamon, just a dash, and then some molasses. And now I want to rehydrate these cranberries just a little bit. So all I'm going to do here is just gently glaze my ham. This is going in an oven, 375 degrees for about 25 minutes. And here we go, Lil.
Look at that.
Isn't that a glazed ham?
That is a beautiful. Ooh, you can smell it.
Right?
Delicious.
So we're gonna take it one step further, and all that
Oh yeah.
juice on the bottom and glaze, and that's a proper ham glaze.
So throw out the packet and head to our website, news12.com. You will find the recipe for this glaze there. Thanks,
That's right.
Gio.
Thank you, Lil.